Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today it's not an MG video, it's actually a video about this Yardman Mustang that I've got. So it's a ride-on lawnmower from the 1960s. It has a whopping 7 horsepower, but actually it does actually wheelie when you take your foot off the brake too quickly. So I mean, for something this light and this small, it really is a go-kart. If you took the cutting deck off this, you could very much turn it into a go-kart. But actually, for the age of the motor, it runs really well. Cuts the grass really well. I did have to sharpen the blades itself when I first got it. It needed a tune-up, a little bit of oil. Battery needed a little bit of a charge, but actually it runs great actually. But up until recently, where it's actually damaged the cylinder head, so it actually stripped the threads out and actually shot the spark plug out like a bullet. Thankfully not towards the house or any glass, which I was very thankful of. But yeah, so it took me a while to source a new head for it. So I've managed to get one that will fit this model from a 10 horsepower version of the motor, but hoping all the bolts and everything will line up and it'll sort of go straight in. I've tested the threads on a new one, seems to be really good, so the spark plug will hold in that as well. But yeah, I'll just give you a little walk around off the actual mower itself. So it is a manual. You'd have to change into, it's got 3 gears, excluding reverse, and yeah, so it's got this is a throttle for it, so you have to sort of pull the lever to sort of control the speed and the RPM of the actual mower itself. It's got a handbrake, but it doesn't really work very well, so it needs actually a new sort of brake shoe in there, so that I'll need to source one of those and change that eventually. That actually, the brake shoe actually fits into the actual gearbox, so I don't know if you can see that. So that's actually the brake disc, and below that would be the brake shoe itself. So it probably just needs a new one of those to be put into place. So I need to source one of those that will fit this model. The problem I have is there isn't a lot of information on this actual unit itself, so that's been the tricky part about finding the actual parts for it. But yeah, I mean, hopefully we'll be able to get it started and have a video of it running for you guys as well. But yeah, if you would like to see more videos about the mower, then please do let me know. Yeah, post it in the comments, and hey, I'll try and make a few more videos about the maintenance on this this unit itself. Okay, let's begin with the strip down. So to do this on the Briggs & Stratton engine, you need an 11mm and a 13mm. So the actual head bolts are 13, but the actual cover for the top of it is actually an 11. So we'll need those two, but we'll need to take the air filter off as well, and then get to the bolts on the other side, and then the topper should come off, and then we'll just take this off, replace it, and it should be yeah, good to go. We'll try and fire it up and see what happens. Okay, that's the head off at the moment. So it's not in too bad of a shape. I mean, if you look at it, the actual, well, I don't know if you guys can see that okay. I have put new oil in it recently and given the valves and stuff a clean beforehand, so it's not in too bad of a shape. But yeah, let's have a look and see if the new head matches exactly like the old head and if it will fit on here. Just to show you guys a video of how it works. So obviously, as it opens up, air goes in, it then compresses straight out, opens, does a revolution, and then the exhaust goes out the top of it. So literally that's how it works on the inside of a combustion engine. So it's your usual analogy of your suck, squeeze, bang, blow. But yeah, pretty much if I give you a revolution, that's basically what the inside of a combustion engine looks like when it's working. So unfortunately, the head is actually slightly different, even though it is similar in size, but the bolt position is different to the current one. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to use the new 10 horsepower head on this version. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to have to see if I can source somebody to repair the threads on the actual head itself. Once I can get that done, I will then post another video of the replacement of the head, and obviously hopefully have a video of the mower running for you guys. So if you've enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments. I'll make more videos on the mower. And obviously, please, if you can support my channel, like and subscribe. Thanks.